Trump is not just escalating trade war with allies, he is also cracking down on immigrants, and the targets are visas. The government has now introduced a wave of new rules impacting everyone, including tourists who are visiting the US. So what are these new rules? If you are traveling from a high-risk country or a country with high overstay rate, you might have to pay refundable bond or some security of $5,000 to $15,000. This is a pilot program that starts from the end of this month. The bond could be waived based on individual circumstances. Zambia and Malawi have already been named as first to fall under this rule. More countries will be added soon as per the announcement. Next is most non-immigrant visa applicants will now need to pay a $250 integrity fee. It is a security deposit if you leave on time or you exchange your immigrant status on time, then you get it back. Diplomats and ANG visa categories are exempt from this. Canadians and citizens from visa waiver countries are also largely spared from this rule. For marriage-based green cards now, the USCIS is making it tougher. Couples will have to now provide stronger evidence of their relationship. The history would be scrutinized. The evidence must include joint accounts, photos, and travel history, and more. It will also be mandatory to attend the in-person interviews. This will apply to pending applications and new cases as well. Also, remember the one big beautiful bill that was passed earlier this year. So now there will be new visa surcharge under this bill. It will add non-waivable fee like the $24 fee for all non-immigrant visa holders, the I-94 fee, then the ESTA fee of $13 for visa waiver program users, and a $30 EVUS fee for Chinese nationals with 10-year visas. So this increases the cost of entering the US. Getting a visa will also get tougher from September 2nd. Nearly all non-immigrant visa applicants will now have to be present for an in-person interview, including children under 14 years of age and seniors over 79 years of age. This means that there is no waiver for interviews now. The B1 and 2 visas for tourists, the F and M visas for students, the H1B visa for workers, and the J visa for exchange visitors participating in programs will be impacted. Exemptions are diplomat visas, renewals within 12 months, and people with clean records might get a waiver. For Indians, the cost of getting a visa might get nearly triple from around $185 to $472 now with all the new surcharges. Entering the US was already tough with all those new social media scrutinies coming in, but now it might scare tourists off to enter into US. Recently, Trump also called for a new US census that excludes undocumented immigrants from the population count. He says that the people who are living in the country illegally will not be counted in the census. This, some experts say, will be challenged legally.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.